Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. We stayed inside. It was raining. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. I like pizza. I do not like burgers. Option C is the correct answer. Question 3. She was late. She missed the train. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. I will call you. I arrive. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. He is poor. He is honest. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. She must study hard. She will fail. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. We can go to the park, play video games. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. He works hard. He wants to succeed. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. I wanted to help him. I did not know how. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. They stayed at home. It was too hot outside. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. She danced. She sang. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. I will not go out. It stops raining. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. He is not only kind, also generous. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. We were tired. We kept working. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. Finish your work. You will be punished. Option C is the correct answer.